Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited because this is the first video I think I filmed in spooky season. The videos I filmed before, yes, I know I had on like my little spooky season clothing gear, but it was in September. But now it's actually in October and I'm super excited. And not only am I super excited that it's spooky season, but we got the October Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag that was gifted to me from Ipsy, which I'm super and forever grateful for to receive PR from Ipsy. And I'm excited to dig in and see what they sent me. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October, you guys know what to do. Just keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Can we just like discuss like the spookiness of these bags? Like this is right up my alley. And like I love how this is like the best bag I think they've had since I've received like bags from them before, when I was getting not getting PR and when I was getting. Like, look at this, a cute little spider. I mean, I hate spiders, but I mean it's cute for this theme. And it's like a little web on the back of the bag. I wish it would have been on the front and the back, but beggars can't be choosers here. But I love the theme. They got it right. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do a lot of unboxings and like hauls on my channel. Everything is like girly and makeup related. So if you guys like makeup just as much as I do, you guys like spooky stuff just as much as I do, then show your girl some love and subscribe to the channel. Your girl is trying to reach 2,000 subscribers, and you know how I'm gonna get there? With the help of all of you guys. So keep on subscribing and showing love. And once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be a lot more personal with my channel. Like I said, I want to do a question and answer for you guys. I want to do like a shop with me videos, all that fun stuff, but I'm gonna do it once I have a little bit more subscribers. So subscribe, because I know you guys want to get a little bit more deep and down with me, and that's gonna happen soon once I hit that milestone. So stay tuned for all of that goodness. I'm gonna get into the unboxing now. Well, I already took everything out the box. It comes in one big pink box, and the stuff is pretty, for the most part, just all put into the box. So I never really know what's supposed to go in the Glam Bag or the Plus, but nevertheless, you guys will know. It's an option. It could be one or the other, but let's dig in. So are you guys excited for like spooky season? I mean, I'm spooky year round. I don't know, if you want to describe me in a nutshell, you really can't, because one day I'm super girly, which I'm most of the times I'm girly. I'm in like pink and very girly and floral and all that beautiful girly goodness. And then one day I'll be punky and I'm in like my ripped jeans and my black lipstick and like my skull t-shirts and skull jewelry. And then I'll have my hippie moments where I wear like my crystals and loose flowing clothes. I'm very like very free spirited. Like you can't put a name on like my style, but nevertheless, in October this is definitely all my style. I got my little spooky season shirt on and spooky season necklace. So let's get in. So the first thing I got is a Bare Minerals Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And I don't think I've tried any of their long lasting liquid lipsticks. So I'm excited to try this out and see how long it lasts. The next thing I got is a Potpourri. I have their deodorant, which is, it doesn't really work though, but I have, you know, usually when it's all natural, no titanium, no aluminum, like unfortunately, that stuff doesn't really work. Unless I haven't found. I've tried Native, tried a lot of like clean deodorants, and for the most part, they haven't really worked for me. So I use Secret. But that's what I was showing you guys. The body butter. I've never tried any of their body products besides the deodorant. So it's sealed, but I want to see what it smells like. I love the smell of coconut. So this is right up my alley. It smells like coconut, as I would hope it would, but let's see if it's very thick. Oh, it is very thick. Oh, I like it. Very coconutty, very coconutty. Very excited to try that out. So that's the second item. So these are travel size though, so usually the Glam Bag Plus is full size items. So these might have been just for the Glam Bag. Alrighty, this is full size, so this probably was a part of the Glam Bag Plus. This is the Kat Von D pencil liner. So I have this in black and I love it. It goes on so pigmented. No, I have it in the blue shade. It goes on so pigmented, so creamy, but at the same time it stays. I got like the Hunter Cream, which is great for winter time. So, and it's mechanical, which I love. It goes up and down. So I'm very excited for this. Woo-woo. So far, I'm loving everything, by the way. There's not one thing I wouldn't use. The next thing is a Magic Feather Intense Volumizing Mascara by the brand Ditto. I've never heard, have you guys heard of the brand Ditto? Never heard of it, but I'll try her out. And I saw this, I was super excited, because obviously nothing's a surprise, because I had to take everything out the box and put them in like the bags. So I already knew I got this. I do like the Fenty glosses. This is a Gloss Bomb Heat, the Universal Lip Plumper in Hot Cherry. I do not have this color, so I'm super ecstatic to try her out. Yay! So I loved it. This was all makeup. So you know, when I get a bag that's mature, not all makeup, but nothing skincare so far. This is body products, but majority makeup so far. So I'm one happy camper. And then this goodness right here. So if I would have custom it, it would be black with pink, or like the black and pink. But black and purple's the next best thing. So let's see what I got in here. So I got an e.l.f. Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. It says it has hyaluronic acid, which helps to firm and plump your skin. And it says it includes a spatula, which I see right here on the top. And I love cleansing balms because, you know, I love doing makeup and clean makeup. So the balms really do a good job of taking makeup off. So you can't really see what it looks like, but it's a balm. So I'm excited to try that out. I love balms, so this is great for me. It says dry, oily combination skin, so anyone can use this cleanser. Oh, the card was in here. What does this say? Spooky in season. It says really nothing for the most part. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything too much on the card, so that's what the card that they used to put the prices and stuff on here. They don't do that anymore. Then the first skincare thing I got is what do you call these? Eye gel pads or whatever. Under eye volumizing collagen pads. Say that 10 times. So there's a whole bunch of them in here. I've never used collagen like eye mask, so they call them eye pads, but they're eye masks. But excited to try it. We're here for it. The next thing I got is a brush from YC Collection. I love brushes. I want to say didn't last month they gave us brushes by them too, but it was a couple of brushes. This month we only got this brush, but this is a cute brush. I would definitely use this brush. Pink's right up my alley. We just spoke about that, black and pink, so loves it. You could use this for like blush or highlighter. I love it. The next thing I got is from Earth Harbor. It says Cloud Burst Balancing Gel Hydrator. I would try this. My skin is oily. I love the colors of like their products. This is glass. I would try this. My skin is not dry, but it looks kind of liquidy, which could be good for under my moisturizer. So I would try that. And the last thing I got was a full edit palette from Estate. I feel like their products is not that pigmented, so I'm not going to use the palette. I'm gonna give it away. It is a nice fall palette, but I'm gonna just add this to the box of I have like 3-4 boxes of stuff that I have to give away for my next giveaway, so I'm gonna hold off for that and give this away. I have so much palettes, and I told myself I'm not gonna use any palettes anymore moving forward unless it's something that I don't have, colors that I don't have. And since I have so many palettes, you guys see in my video, I think that video that I posted, I had like 300 eyeshadow palettes, and that was like at least a year ago. So since then, I bought way more palettes. So your girl doesn't need any more palettes, so I'm not going to be wasteful and do swatches of these palettes anymore unless I know I'm going to keep them. And I know I'm giving this away, so I'm not going to swatch it, but very nice. And that is everything I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus PR. Overall, I am happy. Like, I would say, like, my favorite items I got would be probably these 3 items. Because I love getting brushes. I love the Kat Von D. They were right on the money with these pencils. Very pigmented, very long lasting, and I love this lip balm. So I'm happy, and like I said, the bags are so cute. They're so stinky cute. Let me guys know what you guys thought about my bag. Let me know what you guys got in your bags, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna be posting I have a whole bunch of stuff here. Your girl's been shopping. I got some stuff from Ulta, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. So if you guys want to know what I got in that haul, then stay tuned.